Enjoy your product of the sunflower lights. Check online for further details about the packs and the colors they come in. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. If you're looking for solar, deco art, LED, RGB colors, and more of the sunflower to decorate your property, these products may be something that you're after. So we're going to show you what this is all about. From VGY, CC, 2-in-1 sunflowers, stake into the ground or hang on the wall. We're going to show you what this product is about. Low light comes on, add light, they shut off, and the light comes on. So we have here is solar, big panel of a sunflower. Check online for further details about the colors they offer. They offer a warm white, a multicolor RGB, and this is 6-pack. You could get 2, 4, or 6. It's very easy to install. We're going to show you how to disassemble one and reassemble. You have a thunderbolt that adjusts so you can angle it 360 degrees about. And you got this bracket you're going to install or a keyhole and the on and off switch. Just simply grab, rotate around, and they come off within a number of seconds. To install, it's very easy. But we're going to show you what you get in the box. As we open up the box, you can see how nicely they are presented, separated by dividers. You have an instruction guide. You have your stakes that go in the ground. You have your pole that's on one side. You have your hardware for each of the sunflower. And you have the bracket that's included. Also packed in protective plastic bubble are your 2 sunflowers back to back. All the sunflowers, poles, stakes, hardware are laid out. It's made of ABS plastic, strong, very easy to install. You have the on and off switch, the keyhole facing in the up direction. You take the bracket with the opening, place over the 4 holes, and just carefully push on. And that is it. You are connected just like that. You loosen up to adjust the angle. And for the first time, charge in the sun 4 to 6 hours and 12 to 15 hours of runtime on the 1000 milliamp battery with the extra large hidden solar panel in the sunflower. Take the stake, place in, and take the other end of the pole, place on, and stake into the ground. Or simply put a screw on the wall with the keyhole, match up, feel for it, push down, and you're ready to go. Turn on the switch, put your screws on, and hang up just like that. They're IP rated and weather resistant. We're going to hang the other 2 on the wall and put the other 2 in the pot. Simply turn on, stake in, and you're set to go. And we'll show you what this looks like in the evening hours, all lit up. Turn on, drill your holes, find the screws, and hang up. The sunflowers are all lit up. Give you an idea what it looks like in low-level lighting. These are warm lights with the yellow accent. Give it design around the whole circle, as you see on the lighting wood up in the garden, as well as the top for your landscapes and on your wall. The solar lights, sunflower. Enjoy your product of the sunflower lights. Check online for further details about the packs and the colors they come in. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.